shit. Sorry man, my alarm just did go off. So despite the cheesy intro, I want to shoot some leading lines today. Where are we?
Northeast of Romania.
We are currently in the northeast of Romania. A line that leads your eyes to something. That's what I'm looking for. And it doesn't have to be an actual visible line. We have our first subject. I'm gonna shoot the little yellow pipe on the left, the very left side of the frame, as the leading line towards the door. I'm actually pretty stoked with that. So yet again, I'm shooting in portrait mode because the depth of field just makes everything pop. This is what shooting a Phlog looks like. Behind the scenes of behind the scenes. Anyone can do it, and I'm doing it on my phone. Like, that's the fun of it. Anyone can do it, with anything, anywhere. Your flip phone, pull it out, show me some pickies. Get that depth of field as shallow as pretty much the iPhone can go. There's this bit of old plywood behind this rusty fence, and it's all broken off here. I'm gonna try and use the broken bit that leads off into this closed off area as a way of leading the viewer's eyes into what may be over there. So the best part about a Phlog like this, such as leading lines, is that you can do it anywhere. You can do it in your home, you can do it in your street, you can do it in your backyard. Anywhere there's lines, no matter where you look. Like the power lines everywhere we've been so far in Europe, they've just been like 15 lines wrapped around the one pole, some of them concrete, which like this one, it's just not what you see in Perth, everything's wood. Can I take a photo? Yeah? Oh, I guess not. How's this mirror? Hey cameraman, how are you looking?
Best to find out.
See, the triangle leads to those pot plants and whatnot. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the iPhone Phlog in northwest Romania. I had a great time really experimenting with leading lines. Got some shots I didn't think I'd get. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we'll catch you next time for a themey number. I'll see you soon. Dude, every time.